In this video, I will show you how to create effect in Photoshop. Drag the copy this layer, select the second layer. Go to Image, Adjustment, and choose Black and White. Press OK. Select the first layer. Go to Pen Tool. Follow the process. Right-click and choose Make Selection. Press OK. Add a mask. Drag the copy this mask layer. Press Ctrl-I to inverse. Select the second layer. Follow the process. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.